We youth are gathered here, so please let us lend your ears, that hoping our own ways we can have a better day. You know, government corruption is one of the biggest social issues of the world that we should be aware of.
Yes, I know. Their degrees of corruption vary greatly, from minor uses of influence and patronage to do and return favors, anything given or serving to persuade or induce.
In general, the political corruption is kleptocracy, literally ruled by thieves, where even the external pretense of honesty is abandoned.
That's why I am never surprised by government corruption, either nationally or locally, because I know corruption is unavoidable.
And with so much at stake, you can be sure that some individuals, both in and out of government, will stop at nothing to get what you want.
And all our effort we gave basically is just nothing. Everything is a waste of time.
Just like in election, candidates are chosen by the corrupt political parties in power and not by the people.
The public votes for corrupt political parties because there is not a better alternative, even though people are dissatisfied with the government, but they still vote for them.
Cause the politicians and highly paid public servants are increasing their own salaries while cutting the benefits to the poor. Elections are like a sponge. It sucks up all the money, most of it from corruption.
That's why there are so many poor people in the country, because they don't receive proper benefits that they should have.
Just like in terms of education, government should have a proper public school for those children who can't afford schooling. That explained why in the country there are so many unemployed people.
There are lots of public schools, but the schools are overpopulated and they have lack of teachers. All these things that are happening in the country are all connected. Don't you think? Imagine, without education.
And not only in the education and employment affected by the corruption, also to the people who are employed already, because even though they have a job, their wages are still not enough for daily needs. That's why lots of people go abroad, and also in economics and government assistance people needs, like free healthcare for the poor, the facilities people should use, and everything.
Most of those who are usually trafficked are poor, have a little or no education at all, are single or unwed mothers, have backgrounds of abuse at home, failed, or abusive relationships.
That is why a country never goes up. Because when a government corruption is very active, everything in the country is affected, especially to the young people. Do they know? We young people should start the new history because young people are the keys for the beautiful future.
So that's why we should stand up and shout out what we need. Let us hold our hands together and let them know, even in our own way, that we all belong in the country and we are affected in everything they do for themselves. So stand up and fight!